Very good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about our next exercise 5.2. Okay, student. In this exercise, all the question is related to the multiplication of algebraic expression. And I have already explained to you how to multiply any algebraic expression. It is we have to given the binomial, monomial multiply by binomial, binomial multiply by binomial, and also the trinomial multiply by binomial. These all the types of multiplication I have already you have to explain. Okay, you have to use this method in this exercise, and when you are firstly you have to, before you have to start the any question, solving the any question, we have to firstly observe that this given question, it is a which type of question. Okay, so according to this method you have to use and solve. Understand, children? So let's start the our today's exercise is what? Exercise 5.2. Question number 1 of the 5.2 exercise. What is the question number 1? Multiply the following binomials. Multiply the following binomials. What is the meaning of that? It's we have to given these two expression, algebraic expression. We have to given in a what? Which is the expression? It is the binomial. It is also the 5a plus 11b. It is also the binomial, and it's also the binomial 8a plus 9b. So how to multiply? All of you know that the binomial multiply by binomial expression. Everyone know that you have to use which method. So see here, student. I will explain the step by step. Firstly, we have to multiply 5a of this bracket. 5a we have to multiply this bracket. After multiplying 5a, then after we have to multiply which term? 11b is multiplied by this bracket. Then after what? We have to collect the like term and solve term. Those we have to given the addition, subtraction, whatever. Okay, student? So see here, 5a is multiplied by 8a plus 9b plus 11b is multiplied by 8a plus 9b. Step by step we have to solve. Okay, don't don't write the directly step. Understand, student? See here. Then what I am writing here, 5a is multiplied by this bracket. Then after the 11b is multiplied by this bracket. Understand? Because directly it is not possible. You have to solve their multiplication. Okay, so is equal to, then 5a first you have to multiply this bracket. So 5a is multiplied by 8a. 8 5s are 40. Then 8a multiplied by a is what? A square. Okay, plus. All of you know that there is exponent. When you have to not understand how to multiply this 5a multiplied by 8a. All of you know that first you have to multiply. See here, I will explain. 5a multiplied by 8b. First we have to multiply this coefficient. 8 5s are 40. And what? Sorry. What about there the variables? A multiplied by 8. All of you know that their exponent law. What is that exponent law? It is a power is what? 1. It is also the power is 1. Okay. So a raised to power 1 multiplied by a raised to power 1. What is that? 40. A raised to power. We have to, when you have to give on the same base, you have to give on, then you have to add their power. So 1 plus 1 is what? 40 a raised to power 2. This time so we have to use. Understand, student? Okay. Then after that, 5a multiplied by 9b. 9 5s are 45. A multiplied by b, ab plus. Now 11b is multiplied by this bracket. 11 multiplied by 8 is what? 88 ab plus 11 multiplied by 9 is what? 99. And b multiplied by b is what? B square. Understand, student? Okay. Now after that we have to, those who have to given the like term, we have to solve out. So 40 a square, there is no like term, so 40 a square plus 45 ab and 88 ab, it is a like term, so we have to solve out. 45 plus 88, what is that? 45 plus 88. 8 plus 5 is what? 30, carry 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1, 13. 133 ab plus 99 b square. This is the answer of this given expression. Understand? This type of we have to multiply binomial to binomial. Understand? Our next question we have to given. There are the number of questions we have to given. Okay. Some question I will solve. I will explain, and some question you have to solve the homework. Okay. Now see a question. Question number F. What is that? 2. It is a little different question. 2.5a plus 2.3b. It is also the binomial expression. And 1.5c plus 0.7d. You have to multiply this binomial to binomial. Understand? See how to solve. You have to use same method. Then 2.5 first you have to multiply 2.5a multiply by 1.5c plus 0.7d. Okay. Then plus 0.3. Another term is what? 0.3b is multiplied by what? 1.5c plus 0.7d. Okay, student. Now, see here. After that, 2.5 multiplied by 1.5. 2.5 multiplied. All of you know that decimal number multiplication. First, you have to simply multiply. 25 multiplied by 50. 25 multiplied by 50. After multiplication, you are to getting their answer, their product. You have to put the decimal point. Okay. So 5 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. 0 1 5 1 2 5 7 3. 374. So what is the answer there actually? 3.75. 1 2. After the you have to before the 2 digit you have to put the decimal point. Okay. Then a multiplied by c is what? A c. After you have to give under their plus sign. Then 2.5 is multiplied by 0.7. What is that? 2.5 25 multiplied by 7. Okay. Without decimal you have to multiply. 7 5 is 35. Carry 3. 7 is 14 plus 3 is what? 70. Decimal point 1.75. A multiplied by d is what? A d plus. Then after that, next 0.3 b is multiplied by 1.5. All of you know that 15 3s are 45. Then what is the answer? 0.45. 0.45 b multiplied by c is what? B c plus 0.3 again multiplied by 0.7. What is that? Directly answer is 7 3s are 21. Then 2 digit we have to, before 2 digit you have to put the decimal point. B multiplied by d is what? B d. Understand? Okay. Then after that 0. Now we have to give the sum 3.75 AC, 1.75 AD, 0.45 BC and 0.21 BD. So anyone like them here? No. So we have to write this answer properly. 0.75 AC, calculate this term of AC, plus 0.45 BC plus 1.75 AD plus 0.2 BD. It is the answer. See students, I will explain again this question. What is that? 2.5a plus 0.3b, 1.5c plus 0.7d. Okay. So how to solve this question? 2.5a is multiplied by first this bracket. Then after the 0.3b is multiplied by this bracket. Okay. Then 2.5 is multiplied by 1.5 is what? 3.75 AC. Then 2.5 is multiplied by 0.7 is what? 1.75 AD. Then 0.3 multiplied by 1.5 is what? 0.45 BC. 0.3 is multiplied by 0.7 is 0.21 BD. After that we have to, there is no one like term we have to give it. So we have to write this answer properly. Okay, according to this this types of we have to solve the questions. Understand? So one, we have to give the homework. Which question we have to solve the homework? B, C, D and H. What is that? Homework is question number 1, B, C, D and H. It is the homework you have to solve. And remaining question, there is a remaining question I will send to you. There is a pic photos of this remaining question. Understand? Now students, see here question number 2. What is the question number 2? You have to given find the product of. You have to given the, in this question you have to given the means all types of example. All types of means the monomial multiplied by trinomial, binomial expression multiplied by binomial, trinomial also multiplied by trinomial. This types of expression you have to give. Okay. So see here question number 1a. Sorry, question number 2. A 3a plus 7b is this is the binomial expression is multiplied by the trinomial expression. A multiplied by firstly this bracket. Okay. So 3a multiplied by 6a plus 8b minus 11c. Then 7b is also multiplied by this bracket. 7b is multiplied by which bracket? 6a plus 8b minus 11c. Okay. You have to write in front this term in front of 7b. Okay. So multiply. 3a multiplied by 6a. All of you know that how to multiply. 3 multiplied by 6 is what? 18a square plus 3a multiplied by 8b. What is that? 3 8s are 24ab. Then 3a multiplied by minus 11c. 11 3s are, it's a minus 33, and a multiplied by c is what? ac. Understand, children? So after that, 7b multiplied by this bracket. 7b multiplied by 6a. How much? 7 6 are 42, and b multiplied by is what? ab plus 7b multiplied by 8b. 7 8s are 56. b multiplied by b is what? b square. Okay. Then 7b multiplied by minus 11c. What is that? Plus minus is what? Minus 11 7s are 77. b multiplied by c is what? bc. Okay, student. The next step is 18a square plus 24ab minus 33ac plus 42ab plus 56b square minus 77bc. So we have to collect the like term and solve them. Then 18a square, there is a no like term, so write as it is 18a square. Then 24ab is, it is a like term is 42. So what is that? 24 plus 42 is what? 66ab. After that 33ac, there is also no like term, so write as it 33ac. After the what? Minus 77, it is also the single term, there is a no like term, and last is a plus 56b square. This is the answer. This type, so we have to solve the binomial multiplied by trinomial expression. Understand? Next question F. 3x plus 4y minus 11. It is a trinomial equation. This trinomial equation is multiplied by 5x minus 3y minus 8. Okay. So you have to use same method. 3x firstly multiplied by this bracket. 5x minus 3y minus 8. Then another term is what? Plus 4y is multiplied by 5x minus 3y minus 8. Okay. Then after that, minus 11 is also multiplied by 5x minus 3y minus 8. Okay, student? Now, after that, you have to solve multiply. 3x multiplied by 5x. How much? 3 5s are 50. X multiplied by x square. 3x multiplied by 3y. 3 3s are 9, and it's what? xy. Then 3x multiplied by 8. How much? Minus 24x plus 4y is multiplied by 5x. 4 5s are 20, and x multiplied by y is what? xy minus 4y multiplied by 3y. It's what? 4 3s are 12, and it's what? y square. Plus minus minus. Then 4y also multiplied by 8. 8 4s are 32, and it's a y. 4y multiplied by minus 8 is what? Minus 32. Then minus 11 multiplied by 5x is what? Minus 55x minus 11 multiplied by minus 3y. Minus minus get plus. Then 11 3s are 33y. What is that? 11 3s are 33y. Then again minus minus plus. After that 11 8s are 88. Okay. Then after that you have to collect the like term. 15x square. No one like term, so we have to write as it is 15x square. Then 9xy minus 9xy, there is a term is like term 20xy, so we have to connect it first. 9xy plus 20xy. Okay. Then minus 24x, there is a like term of 24x. Yes, minus 24x minus 55x. After that 20xy. Again you have to give an okay, you have to write it already. Then minus 12y square, there is also the no like term, so you have to write it as it is 12y square. Then 32y, also the we have to connect with the 33y. Minus 32y plus 33y. Okay, and lastly we have to connect the what? Constant. What is that constant? Here is only 88. There is also no constant. Okay, only the 88. So write the lastly 88. Okay, now solve properly. Is equal to 15x square, right as it is, minus 9xy plus 20xy, minus plus minus 20 minus 9 is what? 11, and greater number sign is what? Plus. So what is the answer? 11xy. After the minus minus get plus 55 plus 24. How much? 55 plus 24. 9 and 7. 79. So greater than or sign is what? Minus 79 x. Minus 79 x. Okay. Then minus y square we have to write minus 12 y square write as it is. Okay. Then now we have to solve the 32y plus 33y. Minus plus minus 33 minus 32. It's a y. So we have to write about plus y. Okay. And last is about 88. Okay, these types of we have to solve this given question. Understand? So what is the answer? 15x square plus 11xy minus 79x minus 12y square plus y plus 18. These types of we have to solve the given question. Understand, student? Now next question. Now question number I. What is the question number I? A plus 1 upon a is multiplied by a cube plus 1 upon a cube. Okay. So firstly a is multiplied by a cube plus 1 upon a cube. Okay, this bracket. Then after the second term is what, student? 1 upon a. So 1 upon a also multiply by a cube plus 1 upon a cube. Okay, means we have to given in this exercise we have to given the different type of example, but you have to use the same method. Okay, then how to multiply? See, a multiply. All of you know that a multiplication variable multiply. A multiply by a cube. What is that? It's what? A raised to the power 4 plus a multiply by 1 upon a cube. See, a multiply by 1 upon a cube. How to multiply? This a, here is a cube now. This a multiply by a cube is what? A multiply by a multiply by a. So 1 a is here cancelled. So what is the they are getting result? Is what? 1 upon a square. Okay, a cube में से हमने एक cancel किया है. So what you have to get? 1 upon a square remaining. Then plus 1 upon a is multiplied by a cube. Again, this types of we have to 1 upon a is multiplied by a cube. So again you have to cancel here. So what is the we have to remaining term is what? A square. So a square multiplied by 1 is what? A square. So what is the answer? A square. Then plus 1 upon a is multiplied by 1 upon a is multiplied by 1 upon a cube. So what? There is a no one here in this question term there is a no cancelling term. So 1 upon a multiplied by 1 upon 3. So what is that? Multiplied by product of numerator upon product of denominator. So what is that? 1 upon a raised to the power 4. So 1 upon a raised to the power 4. Okay, this types of way to multiply. Now solve out. If there is a raised to the power, there is also a means no one you have to give the like term here. So all the terms are different. So a raised to the power 4 plus a raised to the power a square plus 1 upon a square plus 1 upon a raised to the power 4. This types of we have to solve this question. Okay, same similar question we have to give the after which question J. So we have to solve according to this method. Understand, student? Okay. Homework of this question number second. It is we have to solve the only 4 example. B, C, E, B, D, C, E. This example you have to solve. Suppose you have to not understand any question, then I will explain. But we have to firstly try. Okay. Then after the next question number 3. Now see a question number 6. Now see student question number 3. What is the question number 3 is what? Simplify 3a multiplied by a square minus 7 plus 2 multiplied by a plus 3 and find its value for. Means you are given the value of the a, we have to put the value and find out their answer. But before first we have to put the value, putting the value we have to solve this expression. Okay. So given expression is what? See, 3a of a square minus 7 plus 2 of a plus 3. Okay. So solve down. 3a multiplied by a square minus 7a. 3a cube minus 7 3s are 21a plus 2 multiplied by a is what? 2a plus 3 2s are 6. Then 3a cube minus 21 plus 3a cube minus 21 plus 20, sorry, minus 21a plus 2a. What is that? Minus plus minus. Then 21 minus 2 is what? Minus 90a plus 6. This is the final answer. Now we have to put the value. So a for 2, a is equal to 2, we have to put in this equation. So what is that? It's a 3 multiplied by, I am writing here. So what is that? A is equal to 2. Which equation? 3a cube minus 19a plus 6. Okay, then 3 multiplied by, what is the value of the a, student? A is a 2. So 2 cube minus 19 multiplied by 2 plus 6 is equal to. Now solve. 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. What is that? 2 raised to the power 3 is what? 8. 19 2s are 38 plus 6 is equal to 8 3s are 24 minus 38 plus 6. 24 minus 38. How much is what? 8 minus 4 is what? 4, and 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So minus 40 plus 6. Minus 14 plus 6. How much? Minus 8. So minus 8 is the final answer. This type, so we have to simplify first the question, and those who have given the value, putting value, we have to put here in the given equation. Okay. Question number 3rd, homework B and C. B and C, it is for the homework. You have to use this same method. Understand, student? Now see a student, question number 4. What is that question number 4? Simplify. 2x square multiplied by xy minus 4 plus 3y multiplied by x plus 2. Okay. So first we have to simplify, and after we have to get in the result. After the simplifying, then we will put the x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 in the given result. Understand? Then which equation we have to given? 2x square of xy minus 4 plus 3y is multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, so multiply. 2x square multiplied by xy. 2x square multiplied by x is what? X is to power 3 and y minus 4 2s are 8 x square plus 3y multiplied by x is what? 3xy plus 3y multiplied by 2 is what? 6y. Okay, then what is the answer? 2x cube y minus 8x square plus 3xy plus 6y. It is the final answer. Now we have to put the value. What is that? X is equal to 2. We have to give 1, and y is equal to 3. Then put 2 multiplied by x raised to the power 2 x raised to the power 3 means what? 2 raised to the power 3. Y is the value? 3 minus 8 x square means what? 2 square plus 3. What is the value of x? 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. Plus 6 multiplied by 3. Value of the y is what? 3 is equal to. Solve it. Then 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 means what? It's a 8 multiplied by 3 minus 8 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 square is what? 4 plus 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18 plus 6 3 is also the 18. Okay, after that number 8, it's what? 16. 16 3s are 48. 48 minus 8 4s are 32. Then 18 plus 18 plus 36 is equal to 48 minus plus minus plus minus 36 minus 32 is what? Plus 4 is equal to 48 plus 4 is what? 52. This is the answer. This type of we have to solve the question number B. Okay, so what is the homework? Question number 4th B. It is for the homework. Okay, you have to properly solve according to this method. Understand, student? Okay, now next question. Now simplify question number 5. Again, you have to give one the simplify question. Okay, then how to solve this type of question? See, this 4 is multiplied by this bracket. So 4 multiplied by 2x. What is that? 8x plus 4 multiplied by 5x. 20y plus 4 8s are 32 plus. Now 3 is multiplied by this bracket. 3 multiplied by 5x is what? 50x plus 3 multiplied by 7y. 21y minus 3 9s are 27. Okay. Now 8x It is a like term 15x. So you have to correct it. 8x plus 15x. Okay. Plus 20y. It is a like term 21y plus 21y. Now 32 plus 32 minus 27. Okay. Now solve. 8x plus 15x. How much, student? 8x plus 15x is what? 23x plus 20y plus 21y is what? 41y. 32 minus 27. How much? It's a 5 plus 5. This is the answer. These types of very simple questions you have to given. These types of we have to solve that. Okay. In the those who have to given the question number 5th and question number 5th, these types of we have to solve. Okay. Now question number 5th, question number 5th B answer. Question number 5th B. What is that we have to given? See, student, this question is very important. Okay, because it is a different question you have to give. Okay, so properly understand how to solve this question. Okay, so P plus Q, P minus Q plus P plus R is multiplied by R minus P minus R square minus P square. Okay, sorry, minus Q square. Okay, now how to solve? You have to first you have to multiply this bracket. Binomial multiply by binomial. Then binomial again you have to give in the binomial. Okay, so see here, this P plus Q, this P is multiplied by firstly P minus Q. P is multiplied by P minus Q plus after the second term Q is multiplied by P minus Q plus again P is multiplied by which term? Expression? R minus P. Then after the another term R is multiplied by R minus P. Okay, and last one is a R square minus Q square. Okay, then multiply. P multiplied by P square is what? P square minus P multiplied by Q is what? PQ plus Q multiplied by P is what? PQ minus Q multiplied by Q is what? Q square plus minus plus then P multiplied by R what? PR minus plus minus again minus P multiplied by P is what? P square plus R multiplied by R is what? R square plus minus again minus R multiplied by P is what? R P minus this multiplied by minus sign R square plus minus plus is what? Q square. Okay, now we have to collect the separated their like term. Okay, so P square is a like term. This P square. Okay, so most of the term is a cancelling. So we have to cancel this like term. P square is cancelled to P square. Okay, this is what? P square. This positive P square term and negative P square term you have to add. Then you have to get the answer is what? 0. So also you have to correct this type. Okay, means आपको confuse नहीं होना चाहिए. P square, it is a P square. So you have to correct it here. P square, then minus P square. Okay, after minus PQ is the right term. Here is what? Also the PQ. Then what? PQ plus PQ minus Q square is the Q square. Then plus Q square. Then PR, it is also the RP plus PR minus RP. And last one is what? R square. Okay, so plus R square minus R square. Understand? Then solve. P square minus P square. How much? It's what? 0. Minus PQ minus PQ plus PQ. It is also the 0. Minus, not a plus. Q square minus Q square plus Q square. It's what? 0. Then plus PR minus PR or RP. You have to say that. Is that PR minus PR. What is that? It's also the 0. And last one is the R square minus R square is what? 0. So what is the final answer? Is what? 0. This is the answer of this question. These types of we have to solve the. Again you have to give on these types of same example. So you have to solve. Understand, student? I hope you have to understand this all the example. You have to try properly in your learning. Okay? Homework. In the question number 5th, you have to give on the homework 4 questions. C, D, E, F. You have to try. Okay? And remaining question I will explain. Understand, students? Question number 6. It is the last question of this exercise. In this question, you have to given the one table. Okay, this table you have to given the value of a length, breadth, and height, and also the given the formula of a volume. Okay, so volume is the formula length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. All of you know that. So you have to use the this values length, breadth, and height, and multiply. Then you will get the value of a volume. Okay, so how to solve? I will explain the one question. Remaining you have to solve. Okay, because it's very easy question. So value of the length is what? First 4xy. Breadth is what? 12 multiplied by 12xz. Length is what? Minus 5zy. Okay, so how to find out the volume? First you have to write down the formula of a volume. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. What is the length is what? 4xy. Multiplied by breadth is what? Minus 12xz. Multiplied by height is what? Minus 5zy. Okay, now multiply. This first you have to multiply the coefficient. 4 multiplied by minus 12 multiplied by minus 5. Okay, it is easy way you have to multiply. Then x multiply by x multiply by x square, only the x square. Then y multiply by y is what? Y square. Then z multiply by z is what? Z square. Okay, is it okay? Then after 4 multiply by minus 12 multiply by minus 5 multiply. Then minus 12 multiply by minus 5 is what? 60. 12 5 is 60. 60 multiply by 4 is what? 240. Multiply by x square, y square, and z square. This is the answer of this equation. Understand? This type of we have to find out the volume, okay, of each question. So remaining question it is for the homework. You have to complete this given table. Understand? So this type of we have to discuss over the 5.2 exercise. So those I will give to the homework. You have to solve properly in your maths notebook. Okay, and remaining most of the questions I am not explaining here, so I will send to you the photo of this question. Understand, student? So you have any query, ask me, but you have to properly solve this question. And before solving this question, first you have to properly watch this video and write down this given question. Then after you have to solve your homework. Understand, student? Okay, thank you so much.